Okay, so let's say you want to find some products, but you don't have a system or software that you are finding them. Then you have to manually find your products. And one way that I do this is I go to eBay. And what you can do is shop by category. And I'm just going to stick with the gym shorts that I've done before. And let's go to sporting goods as a category. And there's tons of things that you can pick. So you can pick anything that you want. But let's just continue where we were before. Let's do fitness and running, and let's try to like dial down and try to find men's clothing here. Right here it looks like clothing and accessories, men's clothing, and shorts. So it's just a guess, and it's just something I'm familiar with. And so you're just going to look through here. Now over on the left side, you're going to shop by category. I wouldn't necessarily do size, but let's just go down, and what I like to do is click buy it now, and it's going to filter some things out. I'm not going to do a category yet because I want to see what is selling, a brand. I'm not going to do free shipping, but I want to do sold items and completed items. So when you do that, the items that sell show up in green. So you can see some of the items that are in green, and you just kind of look for a trend. Now, once you find that, you can kind of get ready for what you want to sell. So if you see something repeating, like I see Reebok, and just look at the different brands or different styles, and then just get an idea. And once you find that, you're gonna I see Champion, Reebok. So then what you do is you know the stores that DSM Tool has, and one of them in this example I'm going to use, it's for, like, since it's a US brand, I'm sure AliExpress doesn't have it. So I'm just going to go to walmart.com, and I'm going to type in Champion shorts. And there's the pop-up for Rakuten. But you can see that Walmart has these. And then because I have the DSM Tool extension, the DSM Tool Smart Clip it's called, it makes it so easy for me to list into my DSM store. So once I find a product that I want to list that looks good, now one thing you can do, and I always do this, is go up here and price from low to high, and that'll give me the cheapest Champion listed item or items. So let's just say they want a plain item. I like the ones with shorts. Then you can add it to your drop shipping list, or you can just automatically put it into DSM Tool. It's going to click it, it's going to find it, it's going to load all the description, all the titles, and all that sort of thing, and then you can modify it within your DSM Tool. And so then once it's here, you're just going to import it, and it's going to be pushed into your DSM Tool store, and then consequently it's going to go into your eBay store. So that's how you find an item, by just searching onto eBay. Here's another tactic that you can use that not many people know. If you go up here in the right hand corner, it says advanced. So let's just look up Champion shorts again, and come down here to sold items, and buy it now, and new. All right, and then we're going to do a search, and it'll also give you this similar results. So what this does is actually show you what's being sold as far as Champion shorts. So you can get a trend, you can see what's selling often, and then you can go back and reverse look up products on the stores and then list them into DSM Tool. But that's it for your finding products. It's not that hard, pretty simple, and you're just picking a niche that's comfortable for you.